What's up, guys? It's September 16th, 2024. Wow, very sideways day in the market. There's a contract rollover, so just ignore that. It's a little bit past the market open today. Sideways day. Oh, 2 seconds. So we had a sideways day, really sideways day. We had a big up move, big down move, and then TTR. We have to ask ourselves, why did that happen? Um, there is a gap, so that's good. I know I'm jumping back and forth, it's my bad. So we'll start right here real quick with the gap being put on the daily. The high from 2 days ago on the 12th was 7 even. The low today was 9.25. So there's a 2.25 gap still. And now let's look at these gaps. Again, this is not an accurate gap, it's a visual gap. And let me delete it. I'm going to use this for the. It's not accurate, it's just a visual gap. So the number, the gap size should be 2.25 ticks. We wouldn't see that on the daily chart. I had to draw it. But anyways, look at the gaps. They're getting smaller. So we have a gap here, and a gap here that's smaller. Today we had a pullback too. Today was a pullback. Although there was no prior low taken out, so we are still within a leg one. The market's starting to contract. So we had expansion, contraction. Bar one, sell bar. Bar two, follow through. But bad. Bar three is an inside bar, so that's not good. Bar 4 and 5 is a strong bull bar that looks like it can get a leg 2. They never really got their leg 2, so bulls that got here are trapped. They're going to have to buy lower. This is where I got trapped on these trade. I'm getting short. Bars 10, 11, and 12. Looks like it's a strong bear breakout and it should keep going. They put in a gap here too. So that's what makes the market hard today, I think, is that very quickly within like 30 minutes to an hour, how many bars? From bar 3 to bar 13. So within 10 bars, we had a big up move, big down move that both look like it can get its own leg too. So I think that's why the market went to a tight trading range. Bulls were trapped here looking for leg 2. Bears were trapped down here looking for leg 2. Today I was a bull getting. Excuse me. Today I was a bear. I was trapped down here. I didn't take profits. I thought we would go lower, and then I got trapped. Kind of annoying day, but nonetheless, there was a breakout. There was a market cycle reset. I thought it was pretty interesting. I traded a piece of it. We have a strong bear breakout with a gap, and then bad follow through at lows. We're above the higher time frame EMA, so it's a bull regime, and we're far away extended from the EMA. Previous day had a lot of overlap, so breakouts will fail. Bar 14, bad follow through. 15 looks like it can get its own leg 2, and then we get 4 bar bear micro channel. This bull leg looks like it should get its own leg 2, and this bear leg looks like it could get its own leg 2. So what's going to come first? I think the bull leg's going to come first because we're pulling back into the EMA. This would be at 24 as a low too. But if you short at 24, you have to sit through a deep pullback and you get 26, 27. So pretty hard day to trade, I think. For stop order traders, every time you get in, it's a pullback. You buy 29, you're in profits for like a couple ticks. It reverses well past if you have a stop right here, maybe you have a stop down here, but it reverses and then goes. You buy 42 thinking it's breaking out, you sit through a quick pullback, another quick pullback, buy 47. I don't know if you guys saw candle 48 today. I don't know if I just checked, there was no news, so I don't know what this candle was about, but it was a vicious like zoom 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 zoom. So I think it was definitely a hard day, trading range day, the opposite of what a breakout trader wants to see. Not to overlap in range days is important. We count implied legs, so we have a leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, second leg trap in a range with wedge bottom, breaks out 36, and then goes sideways right away. Bad fall through 37. 38, also it's a bull bar. That it's closing above the EMA finally, but there's a huge tail, not good. 39 inside bar. 40 we break the low. So this could be a leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, but then we start to break this. Okay, hold on. I'm talking a little too fast here. Leg 1, opposite bar, pull back leg 2. Or you could say we take out this low and this is a leg 2. We have 3 bars here. It looks like it's going to turn into a buy the close rally, then it pulls back. trading at the high of the range of 24. And then we're trading at the range highs of 24 and 13. We're going sideways here. I think bears are wanting to get short, and that's why we saw these tails here. But then bears that get short here get trapped and it reverses higher. They have to buy back their shorts, and we get another buyback here, 50. Again, bad fall through 51. If you buy the high of 50, you're gonna have to sit through a deep pullback, sideways, a couple points, another pullback. I actually sat through this and it was pretty rough. So it was a really hard day. We went a lot more sideways than anything. So here was we were stuck in 13's range. Stuck in 13's range. And then we get a range from 63's low. Just drag it to the left. And then look at 48. It's even testing. So we really didn't have that much of a trend. We had like maybe 1 hour into the upper half of the range, and then we went more sideways. Tight trading range day. Really rough for breakout traders. It's important we count implied legs in trading range days. So we have a leg 1, pullback, leg 2, let me use this tool instead. Leg 1, pullback. That could be a leg 2 for this leg 1. Then we have another pullback, so leg 1, pullback, leg 2 for the bulls, leg 1, pullback, leg 2 for the bears. Asymmetrical. I really thought 13 we'd go below 13, and we didn't. And I think a lot of traders got trapped there. That's what was going on around here. I know I got trapped short in 24 and I think 31. Market cycle, I just kind of went over it. It's a short day today. Yeah, rough day. I took a red day today. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. These days are gonna happen. Hope you guys did a little bit better than I did. And yeah, hope you guys had a good weekend. Kept it kind of short today because a lot of sideways price action, but that doesn't mean we're ignoring it. It just means, all these breakouts are going to fail. 80% of breakouts fail in ranges, so it's better so essentially, if you're shorting bull bars and buying bear bars, you would make money. That's not my strategy, so I'm not going to talk about it. I like to trade breakouts. I took this trade here. Try to take this trade for leg 2. I took this trade. I took that trade. We can actually go over the gaps. I totally forgot about that. Gap here. It reverses. It closes. Gap here. And then it gets closed with 10. Another gap gets open. We have a small gap right here that gets closed right away. So if 13 was so strong, I don't think 14 should look how it did. And then, yeah, we get no gaps. Bulls that there's no bull gap, so we know there's two-sided trading. And there's no bear gap, so we know there's two-sided trading. Lots of overlap. I see a gap right here that gets closed with 31. Then we go sideways again, no gap. There's a small gap here between 35, 36, 37. Go more sideways, not the strongest gap because it's a bear bar. We want this to close a bull bar, so it's a bull bar gap. Kind of like we have here. Let me see if there's a gap with 40. The high of 40 is 84. The low of 42. Oh wait, yeah, the low of 42 is 84.50. Oh no, so there's a zero height gap. Okay, zero height gap. It's the same price. It's non-existent. It's a zero height gap. That's just for the visual. That's not the right price. We have another gap here, but again, it's a weak gap. And it gets tested around 63. In range bound price action, gaps close. In trends, gaps fail. So we had many open gaps here. Anyways, guys, short day. Range days are tough. Hope you guys did good. Hope you guys are doing good and had a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. If you learned something, share the show. Hit me up in the Discord. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.